In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition objects using the Move tool. We're keeping this simple and focused so you can get reliable, repeatable results every time. The Move tool is your go-to for rearranging elements on your canvas, whether you're working with text, shapes, photos, or entire layers, so mastering it will make your workflow much smoother. First, select the Move tool from the toolbar. You'll usually find the toolbar along the left side of your screen, and the Move tool icon typically looks like an arrow or a four-way directional cursor. If you like working with shortcuts, just press the V key. When it's active, your cursor changes to indicate you're in move mode, which is a nice visual confirmation that you're ready to reposition things. Next, click directly on the object or layer you want to move in your canvas. You'll know you've targeted it when you see a bounding box, handles, or some kind of highlight around the object, depending on your app. If your click doesn't seem to select what you intended, it's often because another element is stacked above it. In that case, aim for a visible area of the object you want and make sure you're clicking on the part you can actually see. Keep an eye on subtle outlines or highlights. They're helpful cues that the correct item is selected. Now hold down your mouse button and drag to reposition. As you drag, watch the object follow your cursor across the canvas. Many apps will show alignment hints or guides when you approach the edges or the center of other elements, which can help you line things up neatly without any extra effort. Move at a steady pace so you can see those guides appear and use them to your advantage. When the object is exactly where you want it, simply release the mouse button to place it there. If you decide it's not quite right after you let go, no problem, click it again and drag it to fine-tune the position. You can repeat this as often as needed until everything looks balanced and intentional. That's all there is to it. Select the Move tool, click the object you want, then drag to reposition. With just these essentials, you can tidy layouts, align elements visually, and create a cleaner, more professional composition. Practice a few times on different objects so you get comfortable with